flap heels. So since my last video on flap heels the audio was off from the video, I just wanted to kind of do a run through again to make sure that you can understand what my feet were doing. So flap single heel, you're going to do a flap and then just drop your heel. Okay, again, flap heel. Okay, and then a flap double heel. Instead of dropping that first heel, you're now going to drop the back heel first and then the front heel. Okay, and then a triple heel, take out now, starting with the back, you're going to start with the front again, and you're going to go front, back, front. Again, flap, back, front. Good, try it again. Good, nice job, you guys. Just wanted to give you a quick update here since my last video didn't turn out as well as I would have hoped.